everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Emma's Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make panna cotta. It is an Italian dessert. So that's what we are going to make in today's video. Sorry for the background, I was just coming in, so I will have to go to my post. I'm just using someone else's position. So let's dive into the kitchen. So as we have just dived into the kitchen, now what we need in making this panna cotta is this 900 ml of milk. For we to be able to make the panna cotta in Italia, that is what it is called, panna cotta. You need milk in making it, and also you also need heavy cream, and we need 300 ml for this heavy cream. So we are going to warm the two and these two mixture, milk and heavy cream, and also add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. In making this, all you need is just, you don't need to leave it to boil. All you need is leave it to warm a bit. Milk, when you leave it in the fire, when it's hot too much, start boiling before you know it. So we don't want that. So all we need is just to leave it to warm, and now we can now off the heat. Now that we have off the heat, there is gelatin we soaked in the cold water, and this type of gelatin is the one I use here, and the gelatin is 10 gram. So now that because I soaked it before even starting, so it doesn't take much time anyway, just it's not up to 5 minutes. Then it's time to add in the gelatin into the heavy cream and milk and vanilla mixture. In this way we have off the heat. So now all we need is to add in this gelatin in it and start mixing, as in turning it. Start stirring the mixture so that the gelatin can dissolve. If it dissolves, then everything will be normal. But if you leave it without letting it, because as it is hot, it did not boil, so definitely as you can see, you keep stirring, because the hot milk, the hot mixture will help in dissolving the gelatin. That is the essence. That is why I off the heat. If not, the milk will start boiling, and is not supposed to be so. All we need is just to make it warm. So right now the gelatin has dissolved, because when you add it, you continue stirring so that it will dissolve so fast, and that is it. So now that it has dissolved, all you can do is nothing more, because in making this, it doesn't take time. It is now time to transfer your mixture into the maybe cup, maybe any mold of your choice. You want to put in your panna cotta into it. This is an Italian dessert and is extremely wonderful. It's extremely great. You have to try it at home. Now that we are transferring it into our cups, glass cups, you see how watery it is now. Later on, the gelatin will help it to come together. You know, it will hold it together. It will not be watering again after you have popped it into your fridge. So that is the essence of the gelatin. What gelatin does is to bring things together, and it will be yummy, you understand. I urge you to try this recipe. It's very, very necessary. You need to try it out. So after transferring this to the glass cup, what you need next is to pop it into the fridge for 2 good hours. Now our panna cotta is ready. You can see how it looks. You can see how yummy it is. Now you need to bring it out. You can see when you make this recipe in your home, your children will love it. You see, I didn't add any sugar in this because already the heavy cream contains sugar already in it, so I don't put much of sugar in what I take, especially where I found out lately anyway. So without you in eating this, for you to be able to enjoy this dessert, this recipe, all you need is you enjoy it with jam. This is raspberry jam, and you can use any jam of your choice. It's so sweet, as in delicious, and it's healthy as well, because like I told you, I did not add in any sugar. It's already the sugar that is in the heavy cream has already covered. When you test it, you see that it tastes great, and there is no need of adding any other sugar in it. So I am only trying to decorate this. It's not like I'm not good in decoration, but I never prepared to decorate it. I was even planning to enjoy it like that. So on the process, I said, anyway, let me try and see and decorate a bit. So that is why you see me doing this. So like I said, you need to try this right in your kitchen, and your children will love it, and it's a healthy meal. It's a healthy meal, so all you need is just to enjoy it with the jam, you know. You see how it looks. All you need is just enjoy the recipe.
So guys, as you can see our panna cotta. You can prepare this right in your kitchen and enjoy the meal. So for you to enjoy it the more, you need to use the marmalade or any wow. This is yummy. All of them when you know why I here, right? Please, you know, say better thing. Wow. You need to check the consistency. See? Yummy. You need to try this. So I hope you enjoyed how we did our panna cotta. It's not hard. It's not just one or two things. Pop it in the fridge. 2 hours is ready. So this is the panna cotta we did, and
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you really do enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. At the same time, like and share our videos. Thank you for staying tuned. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.